Mastering the game. Understanding, holding all the aces. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a popular phrase, holding all the aces. Stick around as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Let's ace this together. The phrase, holding all the aces, is a metaphor that comes from the world of card games, specifically poker. In these games, the ace is often the highest and most valuable card. So, if you're holding all the aces, it means you have a significant advantage over others, possessing resources or qualities that put you in a winning position. The exact origin of holding all the aces isn't pinpointed to a single moment in history, but it's clear that its roots are deeply embedded in card-playing cultures. It emerged as a popular saying to describe a situation where one person has a dominant position, much like having the best hand in a card game. This metaphor quickly found its way into everyday language to describe power dynamics in various contexts. You can use holding all the aces in various situations to describe someone with a clear advantage. For example, in business, if a company has control over the most important resources in their industry, you might say they're holding all the aces. In personal achievements, if someone has all the qualifications and skills for a job, you could describe them as holding all the aces during the job application process. Remember, the phrase can be applied broadly, so feel free to use it whenever you see a clear advantage in a competitive situation. And that's a wrap on holding all the aces. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can start integrating it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and with each new phrase you learn, you're adding valuable cards to your deck. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.